In this video, we're just going to take a quick look at potential programs that might be slowing down your system startup. So this is really around if you've downloaded a piece of software that you're only going to use maybe occasionally and you don't need it to run when you start up your PC. You may want to just take a look to make sure it's not trying to boot every time that you do start Windows 10. So in this example, I've downloaded to take care of my PC CC Cleaner. This is a very common piece of software, but I did find that it started to open and run as soon as I started the PC. So what I'm going to do is just take you through the steps and show you how to make sure that programs that you don't want on startup don't run. So in the search box, which is down here, it says type here to search. All you're going to do is just type startup and then going to click on startup apps. You can do that from here or you can do that from here. And this is going to open system menu that shows you everything that's running on startup. So in this example, I've already turned off CC Cleaner. However, if you flick the switch here, you can put it to on or off. And as you can see, this is a medium impact startup. So I'm going to switch that off. And once it's off, it will no longer try to load on startup. So anything that's trying to load up on startup is going to slow down your computer. So again, it may only take seconds, but seconds do make a difference. So that's how you turn things on and off in startup. And as you can see, you've got a few options here. Yours will be clearly different to mine. Some things like Windows security notification, obviously leave that on. Any antivirus software you've got, leave that on. But that's how you can make sure that your system startup is as clean as possible.